Hi, my name's Morag and welcome to this video of the Food Safety Hub on cleaning verification. Cleaning is a very important part of any kitchen or any food production environment, and it needs to be obviously conducted and then verified that all items are in a clean and sanitary condition for the next runs, the next shift, whatever that might be. So this typically happens on a daily, weekly or monthly frequency. So depending on what's in your particular kitchen or outlet will determine what's done on those frequencies. So the verification is quite simple. What we've done is we've grouped the areas rather than having an enormous tick and flick check sheet. We've clustered them in this example so that once those equipment has been cleaned, sanitized, we're basically verifying to say that it's been cleaned and sanitized. So it makes it a bit more simple and also achieves the same purpose of verifying all of those items in the kitchen. If your particular food safety plan or your particular food safety officer would like those to be separated into areas, each one of those its own checkbox, that can also be done very easily. Any corrective actions that are required, if something isn't cleaned or can't be cleaned, whatever it might be, we can document the corrective actions there. We can also upload a photo of any issues, and also some automation can be enabled there to send this email to particular departments or people, depending on how your business operates. So it's a very simple matter of conducting that verification check, and that will then be submitted to the database. The same sort of thing happens with the weekly and monthly one. They obviously have different items on here. These are ones that are done on a weekly frequency rather than a daily one. So again, this would be conducted and then verified typically, and then submitted to the database. As with all records that are submitted, we can access those from the reporting